Your maths degree can't save you now. Actuaries have long been considered one of the safest and most sought-after professions in the world. They analyze risk, build financial models, and predict the future using statistics. But here's the uncomfortable question. If AI can process 1 billion data points in seconds, read patterns no human eye could spot, and model risk with frightening accuracy, what exactly is left for the actuary to do? Today, we're asking the question that nobody in the profession wants to answer. Let's be brutally honest about what AI is already doing in the actuarial world. First, data modeling. AI can build, train, and iterate complex financial models in minutes. No spreadsheets, no late nights, no human error. Second, risk pricing. Machine learning algorithms are now pricing insurance policies in real time, adjusting for thousands of variables simultaneously. Third, claims prediction. AI analyzes historical claims data and predicts future costs with remarkable precision. Fourth, mortality and longevity tables. AI can ingest decades of population data and update life tables dynamically. And fifth, fraud detection. AI flags suspicious patterns in claims data far faster than any actuary ever could. The uncomfortable truth. These tasks make up a significant chunk of what junior and mid-level actuaries do every single day. So how do actuaries stay relevant in an AI-dominated world? First, become the person who understands and governs AI. Actuaries who can validate, interpret, and challenge AI models are worth their weight in gold. Second, move into strategic advisory. AI gives you answers, but it can't sit in a boardroom and explain the human implications of a £100 million risk decision. You can. Third, specialize in areas where AI still struggles: emerging risks, climate change modeling, cyber risk, and regulatory compliance all require deep human judgment. Fourth, embrace technology. Learn Python, R, and machine learning fundamentals. The actuary who can speak both the language of statistics and the language of AI will be completely irreplaceable. The actuaries who refuse to adapt, well, the numbers don't look great for them. Will actuaries be completely obsolete by 2030? The honest answer is, not quite, but the profession will look radically different. The World Economic Forum predicts that AI and automation will displace 85 million jobs globally by 2025, but create 97 million new ones. For actuaries specifically, Goldman Sachs research suggests that up to 44% of actuarial tasks could be automated within the next decade. That's nearly half the job. What remains will be higher level, more strategic, and more human. The actuaries of 2030 won't be calculating tables by hand or building models from scratch. They'll be interpreting AI outputs, advising on strategy, managing regulatory relationships, and making judgment calls that no algorithm can make. The profession isn't dying, it's evolving. The question is, will you evolve with it? The actuarial profession has survived wars, recessions, and financial crises. But artificial intelligence may be its greatest test yet. The numbers are clear: adapt, upskill, and embrace the tools of tomorrow, or risk becoming a footnote in the very datasets you once built. If you found this video useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. Will actuaries survive the AI revolution? I'd love to hear what you think.